It is currently the 5th of May, and this month is going to be my best ever month for sneaker reselling.
But how is this going to be my best ever month for sneaker reselling? Well, I guess you'll have to wait and see.
I've set myself a challenge, and this challenge is not no ordinary challenge for myself. In the last couple months, I haven't been cooking sneakers as much as I usually do. So I'm challenging myself this month to do the best I ever have in sneaker reselling. Oh, and don't get me wrong, I will be using every single resource I possibly can to smash this challenge out the park. So during this month, I'll be documenting right here all of my wins, all of my profits, to see how it goes.
But first of all, what do we have dropping in the next 30 days? Jordan 4 Military Black, a huge colourway and people are going crazy over, with over £100 profit to be made. Yeezy Slide, pure onyx and green glow, with only a £60 retail with resale over £100. Travis Scott Air Max, an insane colourway with retail prices over £100 profit. Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx, again only £70 retail with resale looking over £120. Crocs, you heard it. Crocs, with a retail of £80, resale was looking over £150 for Crocs. Jordan 4 blank canvas. Not a huge profit release, but definitely money to be made. I think it's time to put the work in.
So far, what have we done? We've been making a lot of accounts. We have come across some problems as well. A lot of our Gmails that were for the accounts have been clipped. So this means that the cards that are that account are basically useless, and also the Gmails are also useless. That was a big setback for myself. That was nearly, and I'm not joking, half of my accounts gone. We haven't got any releases actually until like another week. I think we've got about 10 days before our big first release, which will be the Yeezy Slides. Apart from that, I'll keep you updated throughout the weeks. Don't know if you can tell, I'm knackered, I'm not feeling the best, but I'm still determined to cop as much as possible.
It's a new day. I'm feeling good. Let's keep grinding. I have 3 days before the Yeezy Slides drop. Let's cook up.
What is up? What a day we've had. Here are the results from the Yeezy Slides drop. The draw has just opened for the upcoming Jordan 4 Military Blacks, so we are entering them literally as we speak. Hopefully we kill it. Wow, couldn't ask for a better start of the month. We've got 3 releases left. Jordan 4 blank canvas, Travis Scott Air Maxes, and Onyx Foam Runners. Now all of these are decent profit. Blank canvas, not so much. But as fast as we're getting pairs in, more releases are coming, and I'm throwing pairs all around. I don't know what to do. Behind the scenes is a lot more than people think. Keeping your cash flow up, getting pairs in, getting pairs gone, it's crazy. And guys, if this is not a hint for you to start raffle botting now, I don't know what is. Get yourself into KaiKicks Apprentice, my group, where we teach you all the tips and tricks you need for raffle botting, and we give you all the information you need for sneaker reselling. This goes from all the release dates, raffles, all the support, all the way way up to very specialist information like exact Nike stock numbers, early information for some sites that I won't name. We have built a community where everyone helps out each other and we all are in the group to cook, to make money and resell sneakers. I'm not going to go into it too much. If you want to check out a full list of all the features, it will be top link down in the description below. Start learning and start your journey now. If these people can make money, so can you. 3 releases left. Let's get into it.
Well, this is the time you've all been waiting for. Let's get into how many pairs we secured and also how much profit we are looking at this month. So first of all, I'm not going to beat around the bush and say this is the average person that gets this amount of pairs every single month. Trust me, I worked hard for this. However, what this video can show you is the potential of sneaker reselling and to prove to you guys, 1, that sneaker reselling can be a viable full-time source of income, and 2, it's a reason for you to start sneaker reselling right now. Before we do get into all the pairs copped, you're wondering how I copped all of these pairs. 90% of these shoes are all copped with Flare raffles. I will leave a link down in the description below, but Flare Raffles is a raffle bot, in my opinion the best raffle bot you can possibly get, supporting loads of different sites and killing it as always. And if you would like to join my cook group, which gives you all the information you need about sneakers, that will be top link down in the description below. So let's get into how many pairs we did cop. First of all, we started off the month with copping 5 pairs of the Dunk Low Oceans. Then we started off with a big bang 76 pairs of Yeezy Slides, a total of 17 pairs of Jordan 4 Military Blacks, 35 pairs of the different colorways of the Crocs between the Urchins and the Stratus, 14 pairs of the Foam Runners. This was a mix between the Stone Sage and also the Sulfur, 35 pairs of the Jordan 4 Blank Canvases, and 5 pairs of the Travis Scott Air Maxes. And then we rounded off the month with a bang and hit 30 pairs of Yeezy Foam Runner Onyxes. So comment down below if I am wrong, but that totals up to 217 pairs of sneakers copped within this month. This is by far the best I have ever done in my whole sneaker career. Now let's get into how much this will total up in terms of profit. I have not sold all of this stock yet. I still have some pairs left. This is going to be an estimated profit. I've probably sold around 70% of my stock, so I only have about 30% left. Dunk Low Oceans, we are calling them around £10 profit. Really not much money to be made there. 35 pairs of Green Glows. We've actually sold nearly every single one of them pairs now. We only have about 3 or 4 left, ranging between £25 and £10 profit. But for the sake of this video, we'll call it £10 profit before I get loads of people hating in the comments, because people are going to say, oh well, if you sold on StockX then you would only make £5 profit, or if you sold on Goat you'd only make £2 profit. I've sold nearly every single pair already, between £10 and £25 profit, but £10 each, 350 quid profit altogether because we got 35 of them. 20 pairs of Pures, £40 profit, 20 times 40, £800 profit. 14 pairs of Yeezy Slide Onyxes, £40 profit per one. 560 altogether. But then we had a handful bunch of pairs, which is the kid sizes. We'll just call that £50 profit, even though it's definitely a lot more. Jordan 4 Military Black Adults, we copped 13 pairs of the adult sizes. These average £130 profit, totals up to £1,690 on the adults. Then we have 4 pairs of the GS sizes. These average out to be £90 profit, and this totals to £360 profit for the GS sizes. Now we have the Crocs. This was the biggest cook of the year. Not many people were going for this. I was selling all of these Crocs for over £100 profit as soon as I got the W's in. I was flipping them at Elias. I got proof of all of these sales for anyone hates, and I sold around 70% of the stock before prices went down a little bit. However, now they're looking around £30 to £60 profit. However, I already did sell a lot for the 100 and 150. But to make you all happy, I will put the average of £65 and times that by the 35 pairs we did get, which equals to to a very, very nice £2,275 profit. Now, the foam runners, and this is the sulphurs and the stone sage. So we managed to score 6 pairs of the stone sage. These averaged out to around £55 profit, that is. 55 times 6 is £360. And the remaining pairs we did get of the sulphurs. This was 8 pairs, and this was around the £45 profit mark, which equals £380. Put them two together, £740 on that drop profit. 35 pairs of blank canvases. We averaged profit around £15. I sold a lot of these for £30 profit before I even got them in hand, so it managed to level out about £50 profit per pair. 35 times 15 is £525 profit in this release. Now, the Travis Air Max 1 satin gold and the brown colorway. Now, satin gold, we managed to score 3 pairs, be about £80 to £90 profit. We'll call that £540. So we'll call that £240 on the satin gold. Now we've got 2 pairs of the brown colorway. These average out to be £150 profit each, which is £300. In total, that means £540 on both of the Air Maxes, all profit. And the final drop, and we ended off this month with a massive bang, and this is the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx. We managed to secure 30 pairs of these, and with an average profit of £50, that means we made £1,500 all in that one drop. So you want to know the total profit made in this month? The total profit we made from sneaker reselling in this month is £9,440 profit. Now, like I say before, guys, this is not what the average person earns from sneaker selling, and this is not the average I earn from sneaker selling every single month. This was a very, very special month that I dedicated a lot of time to, and the best releases were all just compact into this one crazy month. Massive shout out to Flair Raffles. The link will be down in the description below. It's an insane raffle bot with the best support possible going, and it'll be top link down in the description below to join my group to start sneaker selling yourself. Apart from that, it's been KaiKicks. Good luck in all your releases. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.